A triple referee, tell by my attitude that I most definitely from.
Excuse me, miss. I just want to tell you, you look really nice today. Oh, I dropped my lemon. Thank you, thank you.
You want to tell me I look nice today?
Yeah, you look really nice today.
Well, thank you.
Also, I wanted to tell you a secret.
What?
Okay, this is between me and you.
Yeah.
The color pink really makes me gassy. Like, sorry, I just let one out.
Oh, God.
But that's between me and you. Don't
Yep,
tell nobody.
I won't. I won't.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Excuse me. I want to tell you, you look great today.
Why's that?
You just look great. I feel like being nice, and
Okay,
I
thank
just
you.
wanted to tell you look great. And the color blue, I'm gonna tell you a secret. The color blue makes me a little gassy.
Oh,
Shh, don't tell anybody.
I will.
Excuse me. I just want to tell you, you look nice
Oh,
today.
thank you.
And if I have a little secret, this is between me and you. The color black makes me gassy.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah,
Yeah, great.
makes me gassy. Excuse me, miss. You look really nice today.
Do I?
Yes, you do.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. And can I tell you a little secret?
What's that?
Can I tell you a little secret between me and you? Okay. The color pink
Yeah.
makes me really gassy.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, sorry. Sorry, excuse me.
No, that's good.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. It's just the color pink.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Excuse me, miss? Excuse me, miss? I just want to tell you, you look very nice today.
Thank you.
And can I tell you a little secret? Okay, this is between me and you.
Yeah.
The color that you have on, it makes me really gassy, so I'll just let one out.
Oh, wasn't that
Oh,
lovely?
sorry. Excuse me. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
that's great.
Sir,
Disgusting.
sorry, I just let one out.
Disgusting.
Sorry.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I just, miss, I'm really sorry. Oh, do I have a bathroom here, miss? 'Cause- oh, sorry, my stomach really hurts. Excuse me? I just want to tell you, you look nice today.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And can I tell you a secret?
What?
Okay, this is between me and you. The color pink really makes me gassy. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Oh, sorry, it just makes me really gassy.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
No.